love, light, and abundance, everyone. It's Liv Nicole here, and you are watching The Liv Nicole Show, your place to find peace and clarity in your mind, home, and finances. And today we have something really good in store. You guys are going to get to know a little bit more about me. So why not? Let's do it. So in addition to talking about positivity, mindset, personal self-development, all that fun stuff, I am also... Ow, that hurts, I'll stop. I'm also a professional home organizer. So, what does that mean? Basically, I'm a person that's an extra set of eyes that can help find more functionality and bring a little more order to people's homes. And this is something that I've had the joy and honor and privilege of doing for tons of people that are entrepreneurs and at-home workers, especially during this time of quarantine. So how the heck did I get into this? So about 2 years ago, almost 3 years ago, I really hit a wall. I was thrown a curveball and life just took a turn for me that I was not expecting. And I thought, I don't know how to handle this. I was depressed, anxious, angry, frustrated, scared, all the low vibrational feelings you can imagine. I was there. I had all of them, okay? All of them. And I was really in a low place. I felt very stagnant. I felt stuck. I felt that I was imprisoned in my own funk for a while. And then I decided, okay, I might not be able to change certain external circumstances. There were some things that were outside of my control. There were things that happened to me that I didn't ask for, that I didn't want, that I didn't expect. However, I decided, you know what? What can I do about that thing? Nothing. But what can I change? I don't want to stay here. I don't want to feel icky. I don't want to feel low and scared and afraid and paranoid and all the things. What can I do? And I decided to change my space. I looked around my apartment and I realized that it had become cluttered. It had become chaotic. It had become super unorganized, even though I knew where everything was, as most people. It just really wasn't reflective of the best possible me. Reflective of chaotic, flustered, frustrated, anxious, unsure. A little girl trying to get her ish together. It didn't reflect a grown woman who's getting ish done. So I decided to change what I could, and I changed my space. I moved things around, and even more so, I purged. I got rid of so much okay, I got rid of so much crap I didn't need. I realized I was just carrying things from one apartment to the next apartment without much thought. And once I started going through things, I felt so much better. I hadn't realized how much stuff I was just bringing with me just because, rather than things that I valued, that I really loved, things that I even just used on a regular basis. It was amazing, and it was definitely a huge transformational experience for myself. And I continued to do this for about a month. And when I was looking for different ideas online to make it a little more aesthetically pleasing and more functional, I came across a super awesome woman named Obermeier, who is a professional organizer and teaches others, professional organizers, how to run a business. And for me, I was like, well, I was just trying to get ideas how to help myself. People actually do this for a living. And my next thought was, if I could help someone feel this good, if I could help someone feel this free, then why not? Why not help somebody achieve the sense of overall awesomeness that I had found for myself? So I decided to start my business, and since then I have been able to help tons and tons of at-home workers, entrepreneurs just gain so much more control and freedom in their space. Having designated spaces for work and for play, when to relax, when to get things done, and just the freedom that that brings is amazing, and it's transformative, and it's just been super, super awesome to be able to do that for people. So with that being said, I definitely want to encourage you to take a look at your own spaces, especially now. There is no sugarcoating the challenging times that we're in right now. There is no way to sugarcoat how hard it is for so many of us right now. Whether you're watching here in the States, whether you're watching abroad, 2020 has been a very challenging year on numerous levels. We are dealing with a lot of big things that feel like there's nothing that can be done on a personal level, which leads to feelings of anxiety and overwhelm, and it can make you feel stuck. And it can make you feel imprisoned almost mentally. And if there is anything at all that you can do to feel just a little bit better this year, is to take ownership of your space, is to go through things, is to get rid of things that you don't need, that you don't use and serve you, things you don't even like, and create the space that you deserve for yourself. There's so much going on externally. At least you can take control of that. And once you do, I'm telling you, you are going to feel so much better. And it will completely change your life. No exaggeration. So whether that looks like going through clothes that don't fit the body that you have now, that's a big one. I know I went there. It's gonna get a little touchy, got a little spicy, a little hot. But it's true. Your gadgets that you don't use, that go to things that don't work, whether it's just papers when we live in a digital age that you just don't need, whatever that looks like for you, please, 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 if there's one thing that you can do, it's take control of your space, because you deserve to live a happy, fulfilled, and whole life, and it starts with home. So guys, definitely purge, definitely declutter. I want to know in the comment section below what areas of your house that you've been putting off that you're going to handle, that you're going to make some progress in, below in the comment section. And if you're watching this and you're like,
okay, that's cool and all, but girl, you don't know what my house look like. My house is toe up from the floor up, and I don't know where to start.
well, I would absolutely love to have the privilege of helping you on your decluttering journey. Shoot me an email at live@unityspaces.com. The name of my company is Unity Spaces, and put help my home in the subject line so I know that you came over from YouTube, and we can talk more about how I can get you a free session. So with that being said, definitely give this video a thumbs up if there is something in your house you need to declutter, and also share with a friend that can use some encouragement, because nowadays we can all